Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. Storm Kathleen to bring unseasonably wet and windy weather to the UK and Ireland. Rain and wind weather warnings have been issued as much of the UK and Ireland is to be hit by Storm Kathleen. Busterly conditions are due to arrive on Friday as the storm, named by the Met Éireann, the Irish Meteorological Service, rolls in. Gusts of 50 mph are expected quite widely on Saturday, while some exposed areas, particularly on the coast, will have 60 to 70 mph gusts with large waves also likely, the Met Office said. Kathleen will be the 11th named storm of the 2023 to 2024 season and becomes only the second to reach the letter K after Storm Katie in March 2016. Saturday will bring unseasonably wet and windy conditions, including heavy rain across parts of Scotland and potential outbreaks across western parts and northeast England, Met Office meteorologists said. Temperatures will remain mild despite the wind and rain. There is a good chance we could see highs of 20 degrees Celsius, which would be the first time we have seen 20 degrees Celsius this year. Travel disruptions is possible as heavy downpours are expected across central Scotland with a Met Office yellow weather warning for rain on Friday between 2 am and 9 am. A yellow warning for snow is in place on Friday from the early hours until 9 am covering Central, Tayside and Fife, Grampian, Highlands and Lincolnshire and Strathclyde, with downfalls particularly expected over higher ground. There could be accumulations of snow of 10 cm or more in places above 300 meters, but 2 to 5 cm of snow is expected fairly wide above 250 meters, with a chance that a few places within the warning area at lower levels could see a few centimeters settle. The forecaster has issued a yellow weather warning for wind in western areas, including parts of Scotland and Wales, and the northwest and southwest of England from 8 am to 10 pm on Saturday. The Environment Agency had 12 flood warnings and 93 flood alerts in place in England on Thursday morning, largely in southern areas. England saw a record amount of rainfall in the 18 months to March. Figures released this week showed that 1,695.9 mm of rain fell from October 2022 to March 2024, beating the previous record of 1,680.2 mm, which had been set only the month before and covered the 18 months from September 2022 to February 2024. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.